Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making the softest and greatest dinner rolls ever. We are using a Japanese milk bread method called Hokkaido. To begin, we have to create a Tangzhong. In a saucepan over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of bread flour, 2 tablespoons of water, and 4 tablespoons of whole milk. Now quickly whisk for about 30 seconds. Before you know it, it will turn into a slurry. Then take it off the heat and transfer to a small bowl and let it cool off. In 1 cup of whole milk at lukewarm temperature, that is between 100 and 110 degrees, add in 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. Give that a quick mix and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Now, using your stand mixer, add in 3.5 cups of bread flour, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter of a cup of sugar. Then whisk until thoroughly combined. To the flour mixture, add in the Tangzhong that we created earlier, the milk mixture, 1 whole egg at room temperature. With the hook attachment, start mixing on low, scraping the bottom and the sides of the bowl as needed. Increase the speed to medium as the dough begins to form. Keep mixing on medium-low and add in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 spoon at a time. Continue mixing until all the butter has been incorporated. Mix until the dough looks like so, nice and smooth. Now transfer the dough into a workstation and turn it into a ball. The best way to do this is by turning the dough within itself, rotating it and tucking underneath. Then grease up a large mixing bowl with cooking spray. Transfer the dough into the mixing bowl and spray the top to prevent any cracks. Now cover the bowl with a damp towel and let it rest at room temperature for 1 to 2 hours or until doubled in size. And after it has doubled in size, punch the air out. Grease up a 9x13 baking pan with non-stick cooking spray. Divide the dough into 12 equal pieces, about 2 ounces each. And the best way to do this is by using a food scale. You don't want to end up with big dinner rolls and small dinner rolls. You want them to be equal sized dinner rolls. Now we're going to shape each dinner roll into a ball, just like so. We're going to create small balls using the same method when we created the big ball by tucking the dough under itself. Tuck and roll, and shape it into a ball. Transfer the balls into the baking pan. Cover again with a damp towel and let them rest at room temperature for at least 1 hour or until doubled in size. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And after 1 hour, once they have doubled in size, we're going to brush them with an egg wash. Combine 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 large egg. Go ahead and give that a whisk. Then brush each dinner roll just like so. Bake at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. And if everything goes according to plan, your dinner rolls should look like this. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, the softest and greatest dinner rolls ever. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.